Rub your hands together, building energy in between your hands. I'm Krista Rippins with IntelligentBody.net, and we are going to do muscle sponging and release tension in our trapezius muscles. So take the energy that you have created and put it on your upper trap. Picture that heat going through the muscle. Muscles are mostly water. Inhale, you could picture the muscle as a sponge, and as you exhale, you're going to squeeze the muscle with your hand. Picture the water pouring out of the muscle down your shoulder and arm. Inhale, let the squeeze relax. Exhale, squeeze the muscle. You can add a little bit to it. Inhale, the muscle fills with water. Exhale, squeeze, and you could let your head move opposite of the shoulder muscle that you're sponging. And you'll be stretching the muscle as in two directions. So you're squeezing it and stretching it by turning your head. Here's what it looks like from the back. We're inhaling, letting the muscle fill. Muscles are 72% water. They respond really well to fluid imagery. The big muscle that we're feeling here is the upper trapezius. But as you can see, there are numerous layers from the muscle all the way to the skeleton. You can also go on to the neck, which can feel quite good. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. Imagine the muscles pouring, the water from the muscles pouring down your back. One more time. Inhale, exhale, squeeze. And finally, bring your hand around to the back, onto the back of your neck, and inhale. The muscles fill with water. Exhale, squeeze the muscle, let the water pour down. Bring your arm down. Feel for the difference in the two sides. Replay the video to muscle sponge on the other side. Post a comment below. Enjoy your relaxed shoulders.